Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure flood zone research with FEMA Flood Maps step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the FEMA Flood Map Service Center website. In your web browser, type in FEMA Flood Map Service Center and press enter. Once the site loads, locate the search bar on the home page. Enter the address or location for which you want to conduct flood zone research. Click on the magnifying glass icon or press enter to initiate the search. Review the search results to ensure you've selected the correct location. After selecting the correct property, the site will display the flood map for that area. Examine the map to identify the flood zone designation assigned to the property. Flood zones are categorized with letters, such as A, B, C, and V, indicating specific risks. Note the information provided about the flood zone, including base flood elevation and potential flood risk. If needed, download the flood map for your record. To enhance your research, check for any additional resources available on the site. These resources may include flood insurance information and mitigation strategies. You can also find links to related regulations and guidelines regarding floodplain management. For any further assistance, consider viewing FEMA's FAQ section or contact their customer service. Always ensure you stay updated on any changes to flood maps in your area. By following these steps, you can effectively configure flood zone research using FEMA Flood Maps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.